I'm a little late to the game with unboxing my BoxyCharm and my Glossybox, but here goes nothing, guys. Let's get this done. So inside BoxyCharm, dun, da, 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 February 2018 BoxyCharm. So inside here we have, whoosh. So I'm always really excited when I see brushes in here, and the last brush that we got in a box was actually really good. It was just another crown brush, so I love it when Crown and BoxyCharm get together. And this time, instead of just one, which it was the blush brush, we get a three-fer. So got a wonderful big powdery brush, which can be used to be able to put on like put on your powder, or be able to, you know, you can highlight with it. I mean, like, there's a bunch of stuff that you can do with a big giant fluffy brush. Use it for foundation. It is soft. I do like it, and I like that it's pink, and I really do like the grooves that are in it. It's kind of ergonomic. So we've got 3 of those guys in here. One for eyeshadow application right here. Let's see, toss those on the ground. Plastics. Eyeshadow application. Got this bigger fluffy brush and an even bigger fluffy brush. So I really like them. I think they're adorable and pink. Oh my god. So, and then the next item that I notice in here is by Pure in this stainless steel looking container. And it's hard to read what's on there, but it says X-Fox Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Ta-da! This is good. This is good right here. I still have some of the lipstick that I couldn't get off the last time, so maybe this is helping. I wonder if it's sugar. I don't think it is. Oh my gosh, guys. It has a taste. It tastes like something. Don't eat this, but it doesn't taste bad. I mean, like, when you're putting stuff on your lips, inevitably some of it's going to get in your mouth, but like, not bad. Should have some crumbly still on my food. It's got like a nice kind of gloss on it as well, so like, I like it. That's cool. It tastes, there's a taste, and it doesn't taste bad. Like, I had a cousin who used to like eat like lip gloss and stuff like that, and this is probably why, because it tastes like that. I mean, like, don't eat this, guys, disclaimer, but like, that's not bad. I mean, like, I'm happy that it doesn't taste like crap and accidentally going into my mouth. So there's that. And then the next thing in here is Cover FX. Ta-da! Shimmer Veil in Amethyst for February. So let's see. I'm sure I have some room on my eyeballs to try this out. I don't know if it'll go well with the color scheme I got going on, but let's figure it out. What do you guys think? Can you see it? So I've kind of dirtied up the little applicator with the color of my eyeshadow, but I don't think it looks bad. And I got a makeup wipe here so I can clean up my little applicator before I stick it back in there. I like it, guys. I think it looks pretty. definitely keep a little makeup wipe nearby so that you're not completely like destroying your applicator with a different color scheme than than what's in there. But yeah, pretty. Next up, we have a vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. So I already have my eyeliner on, so I won't be trying that out. What else we got in here? Ooh, so out of the two things that they have for variances in the thing, you could have gotten an ochre palette or a like highlighting palette. So I got the ochre palette, so I'm excited about that. We have this guy here, and now this one's considered the mini palette or something like that. So opens up like this, and the cool thing about it is that you can turn it around and be able to have it standing like this so that you can have your stuff readily available and either standing up and you can see through to see what you have. So I actually really like that, so let's try this out. So the thing that came with it was a blush in Winter Rose Glow. Ooh. So they kept it all safe inside this little cushioned ring. Oh. Yay for palettes! So let's try this sucker out. I'm gonna use this. And I like, so like the magnet's pretty strong or whatever, so you can dig in there and it's not gonna like move around on the palette while you're digging at it. Dust it off a little bit, and then, let's see, I'm not even using like a mirror, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Ooh. That's a nice color, guys. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that's a really nice color. I like that a lot. Yay. I'm gonna finish it off, man. I don't know if that looks funny in camera, but in person, it looks nice. Nice, and adds a little bit of rosiness to me. So I really like it. Overall, eye pencil, lip scrub, shimmer veil, looks awesome, and three brushes from Crown and an ochre palette with an actual blush included with it. Like, I've been wanting a palette, and always having more brushes is good because then I don't have to clean my brushes as often, and and eyeliner is always good, especially pencil eyeliners. Then you can shave them down and be able to use them on multiple people so that it's sanitary. So that's always good for like makeup application if you're like a makeup artist for people. So I'm really happy with this whole entire package right here. So, and I'm excited to see what they come out with next time. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of BoxyCharm, and until the next one, I'm going to have the Glossybox unboxing in its separate video so that you can choose to see what you do or do not want to see. So maybe you'll continue on and watch the unboxing of Glossybox, which will be the next one after this, I hope. Subscribe below, like if you like these unboxings, comment below if you've gotten a BoxyCharm and how, if you love it, if you hate it, in comments. Did you like the option that you got? Did you get the highlighting palette, and did you like it? So let me know.